ensuring the safety and wellness of the workers in a values industry. And this is responsible for promoting healthy environments and preventing work-related injuries and management and occupational disease, like for example ani naga-conduct sila mga medical missions or mga free na pa-check up sa mga kabarangayans para ma-ensure nila itong mga barangay health workers na kuan sila ma-ensure nila na safe o healthy ang mga nagtrabaho dito. Next, community faith community nursing. So this integrates health and spiritual support, holistic well-being. Then the nurse will provide counseling for health education and emotional support within the faith-based communities. And they emphasize the spiritual care as a part of healing, recognizing the health is not just physical but also emotional and spiritual. So, nadyo mga nadyo mga ano na mga role ang mga nurses na kailangan so ano ito so ang dapat na mga specific role nila na sila mga specific role with a sense of word over sa ilahang mga patients. Then next, school health nursing focuses on health and safety of the students, then promoting wellness and academic success. School nurses conduct health screening, like for example, managing illness for students. They provide health education for the students and serve a link between home and community. So gina-ensure po nila ang mga patient nila sa school kay or mga students na safe, like for example ganang ginapurgahan nila, tagaan nila mga free check up para makuha sila og safe ba ginakuha nila atong mga manlorish gani na mga ano miss. The next, correctional nursing. This involves for caring for individuals within the criminal justice system. These nurses provides healthcare to inmates, like manage chronic condition, address mental health issues, and promote disease prevention for in correctional facilities. Like for example, miss kanang like sa mga jail miss na namadyo ba na dili na jud sila kon silahang mental health, ilahang gina check up, ilang gina check ang mga prisoners para if ever na stable pa ba sila or dili na, ginatagaan nila mga libre na mga check up para makuha nila ang katong mga students makuha nila sorry maano nila ang mga patients para katong mga prisoners ma-ensure sa mga nurses na safe and healthy ang mga prisoners dito, not just sa prisoners